Hello learners, today we're going to learn about phrases and clauses. Look at these examples. In the garden. When the girl was sitting in the garden. When the girl was sitting in the garden, she saw a big snake. Example 1 above is called a phrase. A phrase is a meaningful group of words that make some sense, but not complete sense. It has no verb. It forms a part of a sentence, as you can see in the example 3. Example 2 is called a clause. A clause is a meaningful group of words that makes more sense than a phrase, but it still sounds incomplete. It forms a part of a sentence as in part 3. It has a subject, the girl, and a verb, was sitting. Example 3 is a sentence. A sentence is a group of words that makes complete sense. Write whether the underlined part of the sentence are phrases B or clauses C. Pause the video to do yourself and resume the video to see the answers. Read this sentence. When the girl was sitting in the garden, she saw a big snake. It has two clauses. The clause, when the girl was sitting in the garden, is incomplete in meaning. It depends on the remaining part of the sentence to make complete sense. It is called a subordinate clause. The clause, she saw a snake, makes complete sense by itself. It is called a main clause. The subordinate clause in this sentence is joined to the main clause with the word when. Some other words used for this purpose are as, though, when, since, and because. Read this sentence. Annie is tall, but sister is short. This sentence has two clauses. Both are of equal importance. One does not depend upon the other to complete its meaning. Both are main clauses, connected by the word but. Such main clauses are called coordinate clauses. Some other words that joined coordinate clauses are and, so, or, and yet.